HR. Yung anak naman po ninyo is STEM or MAMI, dyan po sila ng organization belong. And also we have the Junior Executive Management Society for PSPA lang po pala siya. Yan. And also we have the JPEA for PSPA. And kung yung anak naman po ninyo is school arts ngayon, dyan po sila belong na organization known as COMOMA. Okay. And also we have the Warriors Guild. If you